More sets isn't automatically more muscle. There's a sweet spot, and once you blow past it, you're just tired and not growing any faster. You're hungry to grow, so you add a set. Then another. Soon your chest day is 2 hours of flapping dumbbells while your laundry piles up at home. Funny moment, your girlfriend texts "Where are you?" and you reply, "1 more set, 3 hours ago." You're exhausted, your joints ache, and the scale hasn't moved. Doing more didn't make you bigger, it made you busy and broken. The 2024 volume research is consistent: aim for about 10 to 20 hard sets per muscle group per week. The first 10 sets deliver most of your growth, after that, returns flatten fast. Remert's 2024 dose-response meta-regression confirmed that muscle gains rise with volume but hit clear diminishing returns. Beginners thrive on the low end, trained lifters need more, but past 20 sets, you usually just stack fatigue, not size. 10 to 20 quality sets per muscle each week is your hypertrophy sweet spot. Here's the plan. Step 1. Count your actual weekly sets per muscle. Beginners should land near 10, intermediates around 12 to 16. Step 2. Stop adding sets the moment your recovery, sleep, and strength progress start to slip. That's your personal ceiling. Step 3. If a muscle is lagging, add just 2 to 4 sets a week and reassess after 3 weeks. Small, measured bumps beat volume binges. Myth: if 10 sets build muscle, 40 will build 4 times more. Truth: volume has strong diminishing returns. Most of your growth happens in the first 10 sets, then fatigue outpaces any extra gain. The 2024 dose-response data shows piling on sets mostly makes you tired, not bigger. Today, aim for 10 to 20 sets per muscle weekly. Remember, most growth comes in the first 10, and add volume slowly while respecting recovery. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 18, we cover gym versus home, what a hard gainer actually needs.